Hi guys, I have an unboxing for you. Okay, get rid of that. I'm along with Flipper, Nike. I finally am able to park in front of my house, and it was 32 degrees today. That is a big thing. This is a thing that I did. These are men's 6.5, and to a woman it's a size 8. So this is what, you probably can't see this packaging, this KD17, Kevin Durant, Nikes. There's a signature. See the Monopoly, see the money, Monopoly, the money, his face is on there. Yes, they are supposed to release tomorrow, and I actually got them today. And today is January 22nd. So it's got the KD on there. They're not bad shoes. They're not heavy shoes. There you go. How cool is that? Yay! I do have another unboxing to do for you later. I got a Stitch Fix today. So I will catch you guys later on.